Hello everybody from WP Site Builder websites. Today we're going to talk a little bit about menus and how to manage those on WordPress and Woo themes. Um, First of all, we're going to start with WordPress, and we have layout our menus under the layout menu item, and here is where you can create or edit your menus. In this case, we've already got a lot of menu items set up for you, and here is where you can change your menus around. For example, like we're gonna go look here and we see we have news, support, about, our staff links, all those links up here in the menu. You can simply delete by removing the items if you want. Or you can say our staff is part of the About Us. We'll say our company goes under About Us. Say Contact Us is going to go under here. And Employment Opportunities, we'll put it under Support. It's just an example of what you can do. We're going to save that menu. And that menu now is going to change. As you can see, it only has 4 items with sub items. So you can do it many different ways. You can add a menu item to a custom link if you want to give it to a link to Google, for example. You can just add this menu item to your menu, and that's going to appear over here just by clicking on Add Menu. There it is. If you save the menu, you can see that it now insert a new menu item called Google, and there it is. So this is how you control your menus through the WordPress manager. If you want to add a link to one of your pages, you can right here. Just choose one and say Add to the menu. You've already seen how you can move them around. You can change the order. You can make them a submenu. You can make a submenu of a submenu, and you can even make submenu of a submenu of a submenu. You can link to a category, and those are your options here. You could also link to a post. I believe if you click under here, you can choose posts and close that. So now posts are also going to show up here, so you could actually link to one of your posts. Very flexible the way this works. We're going to save our changes, and we're going to see that our changes have been reflected here on our front end. No, we put our menus here, put links here, we put Google there. There it is. It works great. It's a fantastic way to manage a menu. Very simple. Makes it really easy. Nobody needs to know HTML and programming to make a website work. Now, if you're using one of the Woo themes, chances are you're gonna see this link under here, custom navigation, and that's another way you can manage your menus. With Woo themes, you can actually override the WordPress menus, and I advise you to do so, because then that gives you control. If as it is in this case, there's a second menu, then this one is controlled by the Woo theme and not WordPress. And so here you see you have a couple of different menus, and then same thing applies here. You can move stuff around. You can make it a sub item of something else just by dragging it. A little different how it works here on Woo, but pretty much the same concept. We're gonna edit this secondary menu. You see you can change the names of your menus. We call it menu item 2. The link title, if it opens in a new window or not. You can preview it, view page, say what it is. It's a category. Save all changes. Same thing goes here. You can add an existing pages. You can add an existing category, or you can add a custom URL and add an item to that menu. So I think it will saved everything, and then we go check it out. And now we have menu item 2.